The StormTrack5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Well, we actually have some sunshine across much of the Tri-Cities area this afternoon, coming to an end, of course, heading into the evening hours. Looking live from Home Trust Bank Camp, looking down on historic train station, and temperature right now still summer-like, 83 degrees at the Tri-Cities Airport with a current dew point of 67, giving us a feels-like temperature right now of 85. All right, so there are a few showers here near north of Knoxville. They're sliding up toward the Kentucky-Virginia border. I think that most of this activity stays just west of the Tri-Cities here over the next couple of hours, but a couple of waves of showers and thunderstorms moving through Kentucky and Tennessee. In fact, excessive rain has occurred parts of the Chattanooga area, for example, and into parts of Kentucky, where a flash flood watch is in effect. In fact, a few flash flood warnings on Lexington and also the Louisville area. But a strong cold front entering the picture now, and that's producing severe potential here. Chicagoland area, numerous storms here with severe thunderstorm warnings just to the west of Chicago. And tonight, as this cold front continues to move eastward, there will be a risk of severe storms from Chicago to north of Cincinnati toward the Cleveland area. And tomorrow, that cold front's going to be moving into the Tri-Cities area. The dynamics, the instability, the more favored area for severe weather will be staying to the north of the Tri-Cities. Marginal risk or a low-end risk perhaps across especially parts of southwest Virginia. However, most of the higher risk of severe weather, Charleston, Pittsburgh, toward the D.C. area and up into the New York City area. So here's what we're keeping an eye on. I think the main impact would be some heavy downpours as we go through the next several days, at least at times, not raining all day, but some gusty winds possible with the stronger storms, but large hail tornadoes. That risk is remaining quite low. So let's go forward in time here with our hour-by-hour forecast. You can see around 6 to 8 a.m. a round of showers and thunder showers forecast by this particular model to come across northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia through 2 p.m. And we may see another wave of showers and storms try to come through tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. You can see that wave moving through. May get a break overnight, and then on Thursday, another couple of rounds of showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two on Thursday as well. Flood threats, I think a medium risk that we could at least see some isolated flood concerns, especially the more flood-prone areas near the streams and creeks. Low spots and poor drainage areas. As far as river flooding, that threat, I think, is going to stay on the low side. Here we look at how much shower activity is going to linger beyond Thursday evening. It looks like we'll see showers continuing and scattered about, at least through the daytime on Friday. But then it looks like some drier air is going to try to work in, giving us just a small chance of showers on Saturday and again on Sunday with a partly cloudy sky and some less humid conditions trying to move in as well. Heaviest rain likely to be in areas that don't need it, north of Atlanta up toward Chattanooga, also into parts of Mississippi and Alabama. Here to home, it's looking like around 1 inch to 2 inches will be fairly common, maybe a little bit more, could exceed 2 inches across parts of the North Carolina, Tennessee mountains along the state line. Temperatures tonight going to be dropping down into the 60s. Going to be a humid night with a few scattered showers. Again, toward morning, we'll see better chance of rain developing, and then off and on showers expected Wednesday and again on Thursday with some possible thunderstorms and locally heavy rainfall. Temperatures will be holding in the 70s with a shower or two continuing into Friday. Lower rain chances, though, continue in the forecast this weekend with the highs in the upper 70s to low 80s, and overnight lows could drop down into the 50s Saturday and Sunday morning and perhaps Monday morning as well. But we'll have to keep an eye on maybe a few spots getting a little bit too much rain the next couple of days. That's the main thing the StormTrack5 team will be monitoring, and then hopefully looking forward to some nicer weather by the weekend.
We've had a lot of rain lately.
Yes, we have. We're well over 6 inches above average for this time, or for the year.
That's how it works.
Yes, it is.
Thanks.